friends. Today we will learn phonic sounds that each alphabet A, B, C all have their sounds. Like we have sounds, like we speak, the birds have sounds. So these alphabets has also their sounds. Okay, so we will today learn the phonic sound of alphabets. Hello friends, today we will learn alphabets and their phonic sound. So let's start. Okay. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, grapes. H, hat. I, igloo. J, juice. K, kite. L, lion. M, monkey. N, nest. O, orange. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rat. S, snake. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, Xmas tree. Y, yak. Z, zebra. So these are phonic sounds. Try to learn these sounds. Thank you.